This is Algebra Lesson 6.4, Equivalent Algebraic Equations. In this lesson we're going to use the distributive property to take our equations that were written in point-slope form and turn them into intercept form. So we need the distributive property to do that. If I have the values a, b, and c, a times the quantity of b plus c is a times b plus a times c. So I'm going to use the distributive property on my first example. The 2 in the front of my quantity gets multiplied by everything in the parentheses. So that becomes y equals 2 times x plus 2 times 4, and the plus 3 is just going to drop down. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 4 is 8, and still keeping the 3 the same. My last step would be to combine my like terms. So my 8 and my 3 get combined. My answer then is y equals 2x plus 11. Here are 6 different looking equations in point-slope form. I'm going to use the distributive property on each one of them to change them into intercept form. So this first one, I'll take my 2 and distribute it here. That becomes minus 2x and plus 2. The minus 2 and the x go together. The minus 2 and the minus 1 become a positive 2. I'll drop down my 3. Now this is different from the example because the like terms were at the back, and now my like terms are one in the front and one in the back. So the 3 and the 2 go together to make a 5, and the negative 2x is my slope. I'll leave that in that order, but I could also write negative 2x plus 5. That would be equivalent. We'll try it again on the next one, letter B. Distribute the 2. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. And now my like terms are the 10 and the 5. Negative 2x, and that is a positive 5. I will do just one more. I'll do letter E. I feel like that one's a little different, but not so different. Distribute here. Distribute here. A negative 2 and a positive 1 is a negative 2. And when I do my like terms here, my negative 2x will stay negative 2x, and a negative 2 and a positive 7 make a positive 5. Now I only did 3 of them, but if you noticed, I got the same answer for all 3. And actually the same thing is going to happen. All 6 of these should get the same equation. So if you want some more practice, you can finish the other 3. But if you would like to stop there, you can, and go ahead and move on to the exercises. Good luck with those, and as always, let me know if you have any questions.